Charlie the latest. JD Vance akasa. US Vice President JD Vance wakasa. Wase ntokwa na ekoso between Ukraine and Russia no. Omo be try omo best so mbe stop ntokwa no. Na embom no so omo try na so mo ntumi a omo be jai omo ni option bi eno ne so omo be jai no ma akomo ntokwa fi se enye omo na kan sa ntokwa na embom Joe Biden na kan ntokwa no. Me say the USA ye na matrama kwa na matrama kwa na sede so what you say o se ntokwa no ono no omo try na anye ye ya omo be jai bibia amaka so what you say anything upon sanctions or mahihye yina no omo ni film say the omo ye na last stop na embom no omo try ahwe matrama kwa wo de tie JD Vance.
There's fundamental mistrust between Russia and the West. It's one of the things the president thinks is frankly stupid, that we should be able to move beyond the mistakes that have been made in the past, but that takes two to tango. I know the president's willing to do that, but if Russia's not willing to do that, then we're eventually just going to have to say, this is not our war, it's Joe Biden's war, it's not our war. We're going to try to end it, but if we can't end it, we're eventually going to say, you know what, that was worth a try, but we're not doing it anymore. Look, I'd say we're more than open to walking away. The president's supposed to talk to President Putin of Russia and President Zelensky as well, and I'm sure he'll talk to a number of world leaders today because he always does that. But look, the president's been very clear. This is not the United States is not going to spin its wheels here. We want to see outcomes. And the first major outcome that we wanted to see, which we were glad about, is that we wanted the Russians and the Ukrainians to put a real peace proposal on the table. What would you need to do in order to stop fighting? That happened. The second thing is they needed to agree to direct talks with one another. These sides hadn't talked in years. We thought that was a disgrace. That has now happened. But now, the talks have been proceeding for a little while. We realize there's a bit of an impasse here. And I think the president's going to say to President Putin, look, are you serious? Are you real about this? Because the proposal from the United States has always been, look, there are a lot of economic benefits to thawing relations between Russia and the rest of the world, but you're not going to get those benefits